Chancellor Strine's $300 million attorney's fee award in the Southern Peru case in December is by far the largest fee award ever in Delaware. How are lawyers who follow the Chancery Court interpreting that award?
There are probably two schools of thought out there. One is that this is Delaware's response to many cases being filed elsewhere. And I frankly don't see it that way. I'm of the school of thought that this is just simply Delaware reaffirming what it's been doing historically, and that is awarding large fees for meritorious cases that confer a large monetary award to plaintiffs.
And in terms of the substance of the case, how do you think Vice Chancellor Strine's opinion in Southern Peru will affect how special committees negotiate with controlling shareholders?
There's one of the things that I think has sort of gone unnoticed in the opinion because of the magnitude of the award and the magnitude of the attorney's fees. If you read that opinion, most people believe he did the right thing with regard to refusing to recognize the validity of the committee and granting burden shifting for purposes of the burden of proof in the case. But his ruling essentially said that in order to determine whether a special committee is properly functioning, the court must evaluate the substantive decisions of the committee itself. And I think there are a lot of practitioners out there that think that if your special committee is full of independent directors and they fully inform themselves, you ought to get burden shifting automatically. We don't want judges second-guessing the decisions of special committee members with hindsight, especially when there's no basis to it. We give business judgment protection to fully informed independent directors when they're making a major decision for the company. Why can't we give the same type of treatment to special committee members?
So why do you think the judge did that in the case? Do you think there was an underlying skepticism about the offer from Grupo Mexico for a controlled subsidiary? Do you think there were underlying questions about the members of the special committee?
Well, he did it precisely because of that. There were questions. One of the committee members clearly was conflicted, and that's why I said I think he did the right thing in that case. It's the rule of law for future cases and future treatment of special committees that I think needs to essentially be developed a little bit further and perhaps go to the Delaware Supreme Court and be decided by them.